What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get a TapTap send promo code for a transfer to India. So let's get started. Now first off, once you set up your account, you would need to select a receiver country as India. So just go ahead and tap on this right here and just scroll down until you can see India right here. So I just selected India, and now you can input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer to someone in India. So let's say 100 euros. And once you did that, you can go ahead and add a promo code. So just go ahead and tap add promo code. And in the description down below, you would be able to find a promo code that will give you a $5 or euros discount once used. So you can just input that promo code right here and just go ahead and tap enter. So of course I can't redeem my own promo code, but this promo code will work with you. So that's guys how you can get a promo code for a transfer to India on TapTap Send. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.